Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. It is approximately 9:53 a.m. Wednesday morning and we're in the parking lot at the gym. We're just getting ready to go in. But I had to stop by the mailbox because I was expecting a check to come in. And this is a check from a specific income stream that I've been working for the past about month and a half part-time. So if you're somebody that's looking to start your own online business, you're looking to work from home, you want to break the shackles of your 9-to-5 job, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the proof. I'm going to show you step by step exactly what you need to do to get started. So let me go ahead and open up this envelope. As you can see, I started opening it up a little bit here, but it hasn't been fully open. But you can see on the front, should say Joshua Elder. I don't know if that's focusing, but you'll have to take my word for it. So let me go ahead and open this up and we will see exactly how much this check is for. It looks like, let's make sure I didn't actually rip the check. So this check is for $3,540, if you guys can see that right there. That's in view. $3,540, which is really cool. And you can see it's from Multiplex Systems, Inc. So this is just one income stream, you guys. Part-time. It will take work, it will take effort, but if you got 30 minutes to about 2 hours a day to put aside, you don't have to have any experience online. You could do this part-time from home, from your cell phones, from your laptop, preferably from your laptop computer. So what I want to do is I want to dive into my computer, give you guys some training on exactly how I did this and how you can get started today as well. So the best online business to start here in 2019, in my personal opinion, is affiliate marketing. And it's affiliate marketing because you don't have to worry about any overhead. You don't have to worry about creating your own products. You don't have to worry about all the technical aspects of, setting up web pages and learning sales skills and learning how to teach and create content and do all these different things that you typically need to do if you're selling your own products. Now, what I love about affiliate marketing is it's like starting with training wheels when you're riding a bike, right? The first thing that you learn with affiliate marketing is you learn how to get traffic to an offer. And the offer could be anything between weight loss, health, wealth, relationships markets, any of those markets. You can dive deep into one of them, find a product that somebody else owns, and they'll pay you actually up to 100% commissions on that specific product. So we're going to talk a little bit more about how to find these products in this video, but I really want you to understand the concept of affiliate marketing. So I'm going to illustrate my background, my experience, my niche that I built my business in for the past 5 years, and you can decide on what niche may be best for you based off of my story. So I got started in my early 20s. I'm actually 31 years old now. I got serious about internet marketing when I was about 26. But for about 5 years, from 21 to 26, I was kind of just fooling around, jumping from product to product, learning how to build a business online. And the biggest problem that I had was wondering what niche to go into. I didn't know what niche to pick. And I found myself spinning my wheels again and again and again because I didn't feel like I was competent teaching people weight loss if I was trying to build muscle, or teaching people how to build muscle when I had none, or teaching people how to pitch and play baseball when I didn't feel I was an expert at it. I felt that there was other people that were much better than I was. And it wasn't until I really went through this journey and I realized that an expert is just simply somebody that knows a little bit more than the next person. Right? So you may be watching this video and you may have no idea what affiliate marketing is, and I may just understand the business model, and that's the extent that I understand affiliate marketing, and I could still give a lot of value to you guys. So learning this concept completely changed my life, and it changed everything for me. So because I didn't learn this early on, what happened was I went through the cycle of buying product after product, learning internet marketing, because you need to know marketing to promote any business. Well, I fell in love with internet marketing. I fell in love with generating traffic and helping people build businesses. So as I was learning marketing, I was like, well, I actually love marketing. I love numbers and I love being able to create something out of thin air and seeing if it was going to convert out there to the marketplace. So what I decided to do, because I was learning marketing, and specifically I was learning how to rank websites and rank videos at the top of the search engines, which is known as SEO. I became an expert at that. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to start teaching people how to start their online businesses using search engine optimization. And so that was the skill set that propelled me to success. So I was able to go into different niches because I had that skill set finally, and I was able to come back around and get in like the weight loss niche, get in like the muscle building niche, get in the make money online niche, and the biz op niche, and the network marketing niche, and become wildly successful. So the idea here is to master a skill set, use that skill set to get in front of a problem that a consumer has in the marketplace, and then give them the solution. For example, I'm just going to kind of pull this out of thin air. If somebody goes in to Google and they type in how to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks, right? Me being good at ranking websites and ranking videos, I could actually have a placement at the top of the search engine that would show them how to do that. So it would give some value, and then it would lead them to an affiliate product, somebody else's product. And that's how it works. So I became very good, not at necessarily knowing about everything about losing weight, but I had some general knowledge of it. So I was able to like create an article, create a website, and then optimize that website to be ranked at the very top of the search engine. So I can take the person that has the problem, find the solution, which is the product provider, and sort of put them together. Okay, so what I do now today is I'm essentially taking people that they want to start an online business. They come to a video like this where I teach them how to start an affiliate marketing business, and then I lead them to the solution, which is like an affiliate product. And I apologize for my illustration. I'm using this mouse. It's fairly difficult to use, but you guys kind of get the idea. So how do we actually find these specific affiliate marketing products that we can promote? Well, there's different websites like Amazon.com, and if you scroll to the very bottom of this page, you can actually see there's a place where you can sign up as an affiliate right here. So become an affiliate. Now, what you can do is sign up for Amazon affiliate program. So I'd click this link, sign up. It's free to sign up. And then what I can do is I can click any of these products. I'm just going to click a random product. This is like a cell phone holder right here. And I can promote this cell phone holder, and I would earn anywhere between 2% and about 6% commissions off of this cell phone holder. Now, this is one of the easiest ways to get started because you can start with little to no money. The problem with promoting products like on Amazon is the fact that you need to make a lot of sales to hit your income goal. Because you're probably wondering, well, Josh, 2 to 6% commission isn't that much. And also, how do I actually, how are sales tracked back to me? So in your back office, once you join Amazon's affiliate program, there's a place where you can actually insert a product, and then you just select submit, and it will spit out this long affiliate link to you. And when you share that affiliate link on the internet and somebody clicks that specific link that you're the only person that has access to that link, they click it, they purchase the product, that's how you earn a commission. Okay. So I got started with Amazon. I also got started with clickbank.com, which is kind of a step up from Amazon. And the way that you can get started here is just go to clickbank.com, select create an account. Again, this is free to sign up. And then once you log in, click the login button here. This is one of my accounts. You've got a little panel on the left-hand side right here, which will give you your weekly sales snapshot. Above that, you have the account username here, and then you have your daily snapshot. That's like tracks for, what is this, like a 14-day, a 2-week period or so. Okay, and then you have all your week ending gross sales. And if I go to reporting right here, and I go to paychecks, you can see these are the totals for how much you've made. So in 2019, today's the 2nd, we've already made $952.56. We've been paid out that much. Last year, I did $68,000 with ClickBank. So this poses the question, well, how do I find products on ClickBank? It's very easy. You go to the ClickBank marketplace right here, and then you can go to, like, if I want to go into health and fitness, I'd click this tab right here, and you have all these different products that you can promote. So all I would need to do is click the promote button right here, and then it will automatically put my account nickname and select generate hop links. And this is that long affiliate link that I was talking about. You can copy this link and you can share it around the internet, whether it be, like I said, on a blog, on a website, it could be on a YouTube video, it could be in the description, it could be on a post on Facebook. You can private message somebody the link strategically, and that's how you would get this product out there to the marketplace. And there's many automated ways to do that. And if you want to check out the link in the description, that will run through and actually show you in complete detail how to get set up with an automated system that will not only just help you earn, you know, some small commissions, but also big commissions too, as much as $2,000 in commissions without you having to do any extra work. And so that leads me to my next sort of phase here in this training is you want to be promoting products that are going to give you the most leverage for your work. Okay, so for example, this flat belly fix product, it's going to pay you 78% commission. And you're going to make about on average $33.86 per sale. That sounds good and great, right? And it's free to sign up for ClickBank. It's free to promote this product. But the problem you're going to have is you might make a few sales, right? You might put up a lot of content to make very little money. In other words, you might spend 8 hours in a day putting up content and getting your links out there just to make one sell. So what if you could take that same amount of time and 10x this $33.86, as well as work 30 minutes to maybe a couple hours a day? And that was the concept that changed my life. So I went from promoting Amazon products to ClickBank products to eventually promoting an all-in-one system that had multiple products that sold for me. So all I had to do is essentially send people to a sign-up page that looked like this. They'd enter their information, and then the system would do all the selling and telling for me. So I didn't have to be a salesperson. I didn't have to be the product creator. All I had to do was focus on getting people to this page using and leveraging social media platforms. And that's it. Once I had those social media platforms set up, for example, YouTube, one thing that's great about this video is this video will sell for me over and over and over and over and over again as long as this video is around, because there's leverage to it. There's views coming to this video constantly every single day. Now, you're not limited to just YouTube videos and doing YouTube. And if you decide to do YouTube videos, you don't have to show your face. You can share your screen. You can edit out the ums, the ahs. That's what I had to do when I got started. I was actually terrible on video. And if you go to my previous video, I'll link it up here somewhere or down in the description. I show you some of the videos that I shot in my parents' basement when I got started. I didn't have a script. I was just modeling what my mentor told me to do. It was a dark basement, no professional lighting, just a web camera on my laptop, and that's it. And I'm a pretty introverted person. You get me out there to the public. I hate speaking on stages. I will do it from time to time because it does help me grow. And I'm at a point where I want to help more people. So I've got to step outside of my comfort zone to be able to do that. So if you're somebody that's introverted, if you're somebody that has no experience online, this is something that you can definitely do and have success with. So you could start the Amazon way, you could start with ClickBank, but if you really want the most leverage, start with a proven automated system that will pay you the most for the time that you put in. So if $10,000 a month working no more than 30 minutes to 2 hours a day would change your life, go ahead and check out the link below in the description to check out my top recommended system. Now, this is also no guarantee of income. I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to go out there and make $10,000. This is going to take work for you, as I explained in the beginning of this video. You got to be willing to create new habits, put in the work, believe in the process, believe in the system, and do everything that's laid out to you to the T. So if that's something that you can do, click the link in the description below. Hope you got value from this video. Again, affiliate marketing is just a concept of taking a problem in the marketplace that a consumer has and putting them in front of the solution and being able to get paid a commission for it. If this is something that you're interested in, go ahead, click the link below in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.